In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer Windows to a new hard drive or SSD with iSunshare CloneGo. Alright, so step 1, start CloneGo and select disk clone from the left menu. After that, you can view all disks and partitions on your Windows computer. As you can see from the screenshot, there is an uninitialized partition under disk 0. The source disk, don't worry, the uninitialized partition is the hidden partition of Windows OS, so it will not affect the whole process. Step 2, simply choose the source disk and select the target disk. Actually, if there are only 2 hard disks on the Windows 8, 10, 7 computer, the source disk and target disk will be set by default. Step 3, tick the after finish option and select shutdown and restart hibernate according to your situation. If the source disk is larger and you have no time waiting for the complement of the cloning, you can select shutdown option, which means the computer will automatically close and when the process ends. It is also no problem if you do not check this option. Step 4, click on the button and it will pop up a window telling you that the existing files on the target partition will be overwritten. If you have created the backup of those files, click yes to go ahead. Step 5, the entire disk cloning process begins and you should be left it to run automatically. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next one.